Yep. Oh, look. Somebody's running over there.
What?
A lizard.
Oh. They have disgusting. I want to climb that tree.
No.
But how am I going to feed the ducks? Where is the ducks? Hello?
The ducks are gonna come.
Ducks?
There's a duck over there. Look, there's a duck all the way on the other side over there.
How is this snail?
Look, he's coming. Take one roll. Take one roll. And take really small pieces because when she comes, she's gonna see you. Go on that side over there. Go over there on that side and throw a small pieces so she can come.
Okay.
Because she sees you already. She's coming. See? Throw a small piece in the water. She's coming. Yeah, she's coming. Look, she's coming faster now. She's excited. That's it. Don't throw any more for now. Wait a little bit.
She's going to eat.
See? Yeah. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. She just wants food. See?
Can I throw more?
Yeah.
Look how many snails like that.
Nice.
I got some.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
I got some. I got two.
Oh, she's so happy that you have bread.
Hello.
Here, Deruka. Deruka.
Please can you take mine there? Eat snails.
Oh, another one came.
Stop.
It's okay.
Stop.
It's okay. The other one came. See? I told you they're gonna come.
Oh, there's more.
Oh, she almost caught it in the air.
Stop doing caca. Stop.
Oh, look at those guys. They came too. They want some food too. They want some food. Feed them too. Look, they want some too. Look how beautiful they are. Give them a little bit. Go up. Go up. Let's go give them some. Because they want bread too. Throw a little bit. See, they're coming. Oh my God, they're so beautiful.